Alright, this is like the very almost broken Heritage fan. This is Heritage somewhere up there. The blade pitches are like, I bent them because it wasn't moving anywhere and it wobbled a lot. But here was the problem with one of them. That's one mighty crack. Just built over time, and now it pretty much has to come off. And this is how steep the blade pitch is. I am not lying. I'm not twisting the camera. No, but it's that much. That's giant crack. And it pretty much has to come off, but now I'll just run it. And the light works, here's the fan on low. Blades are all like saggy, and you can see the other side of the blades. Especially the one that's bent like all the way. What it looks like. Because just all the wear, you know. I didn't bend that whole entire thing. After time, it just became weak. I have new brackets and blades for this, so it's not really a problem. Although I do, want a new fan here. Medium speed. The only blade that isn't bent downwards is the one that's incredibly bent. I just bent it up because since the steep pitch of it, it could just go down and hit somebody. I didn't want that happening. And here's high. It does wobble all of a sudden, and it's extremely loose. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching.